Guys, Daniel here. So today I want to make a video about a weather app that I just bought 2 days ago. It's called Weather Nerd, which is a really cool app, and I decided to make a video about it. So in there's a lot of weather apps out there in the iOS App Store. Tons to choose from. All of them are awesome. Well, some of them are awesome. Some of them suck. But this one is five bar five. It's my favorite one right now. Why? Because you can check when the weather is coming, when it might rain, or like it'll tell you 20 minutes until it rains. Like now I know that this is not gonna be like accurate, like it's gonna be like, oh, 20 minutes to get rain. But it's an algorithm, I guess, that they wrote, and it takes in from a lot of how do you call it, a lot of information from other weather networks out there. So some of the stuff you'll be able to do inside the app, of course, from you'll see the past weather, so yesterday's weather, and then it'll tell you like how warm or cold it is on today's weather. So it might say it's 1 minute. Oh no, I mean it's 1 degree warmer than yesterday, or it's 2 degrees warmer today than yesterday. So it gives you that little much more information for you to know and how to dress outside. Um, After that, there's how do you call it? In the graph data, you can see the wind data also. So the wind, you can see when the wind is at the lowest or it's gonna get to the highest. If you click the graph, you can actually check the hour by hour weather data. So 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, all the way it gets until 12 o'clock at night. Um, it's really awesome. So the other part, of course, down is the calendar feature where you'll be able to check ahead of schedule how the weather's going to be in like 5 days from now. Now, I don't recommend you checking past like maybe 3 days just because it's not really accurate. Uh, because weather changes every day, so I only recommend you checking the first 3 days. After that, then it might just be guessing how the weather might be that day. So it's something to keep an eye out for. Another cool thing, of course, it shows you the whole week's data in one page. So the weather from Monday to Friday. It's really cool. It shows you when it's going to rain, with the percentage of it might raining that day, how warm it's going to be, all this information that can help you when you're walking out the door. Of course, it uses your location data from the iPhone to get the information. Of course, you have to let it use the location for it to work properly. Now, when you're doing the location, you have two choices to enter your zip code, the city, or it takes the location right from the app and it will put where you're actually living at. So if you don't want that, I'll recommend you guys put um, your city name instead if you guys don't want the app to find out where you live. Now, of course, you can set reminders on the app. So it'll tell you, you could tell it to remind you at 2 o'clock in the afternoon to tell you the weather before you leave to go somewhere. It'll tell you maybe 15 minutes ahead of time. You get to choose the temperature from Celsius or Fahrenheit. Um, you have the choice to choose if you what you want to see in the wind graph data. So if you want to see the wind or you don't want to see it, all that stuff. Uh, Now, before you buy this app in the App Store is $4.59, I think, in the Canadian App Store. Before you buy it, there is something that a lot of people don't know is that it's in how how do you say it? It's per year cost. So if you right now it's on sale because of the Apple Watch launch. But if you buy this app, you'll in 1 year you'll have to pay to use it again and again. So it's a paid subscription service for a weather app, which is new, of course, but it's actually really smart, of course, on their part, because well they need to make money, and I'm supporting these guys because I like the weather app that they just made right now. And so yeah, um, so before you buy the app, just letting you that warning that is a paid subscription service every year. And if I were you guys, I'll buy the app right now before the discount deal is gone, because then you have to pay higher. Of course, so right now it's only $4.59, I think, in the App Store. I'll put a screen below the real price about it, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.